Well, coming out here to shed hunt today because it's like 55 and sunny. I was just gonna come have a chill night. Then I got my truck stuck and it's not good. I got up to that hill and it wouldn't go anymore. So started rolling down. Couldn't quite stay on the tracks here and headed down there. It's not good. Not good at all. Dad's on his way to rescue, but it's less than ideal. So hopefully we can get it out and get home. But I don't know. All right, we're back. We're actually gonna try to shed hunt this time. It's about a week and a half later than when I got stuck. Now we're going to a different spot where hopefully I won't get stuck. And I'm more scouting than anything because I like this spot. I hunted it once last year before I shot my buck. And I liked it, but I couldn't get to where I wanted to, so I'm gonna scout it before, so for next year I know where to set up. All right, we made it out. Met up with a guy, Franklin. Subscribed to the channel, so I guess this one's for you, Franklin. We walked up here and then we split up. We're just gonna do a loop, meet back up. Yeah, good spot. Hopefully find something. Franklin shoots big deer, so I better watch my tone around him because he knows what he's doing. Shot a 170 off the ground last year. Big one the year before, so shout out Franklin. I think that's his name. Alright, we're running pretty low on battery and we kind of just got started. So I'm going to probably not film too much. Kind of just try to look for stuff, and if I find anything cool, I guess I'll film it. Or else I might have to change over to the phone in a bit here. Alright, well, camera died like right when we got in there, and I looked around for quite a bit. Saw a bunch of rub lines and scrape lines. Got a trail camera and a lot of cold beverage cans as well. Did not find any sheds. It was a good spot. Met back up with Franklin about halfway, then we walked the last little part together. Then never did find anything, but it's a good time. It's good to meet Franklin. Shoots big bucks, cool guy. Yeah, that's it though. Thank you guys for watching.